I've had this camera for a while now. It's second hand, but I've been waiting for this. This adapter, well, it's very expensive in my opinion. €85 for a piece of machined aluminium, and this is essential for me because this will get the camera fitted to the FLI filter wheel. But let me show you that now. I got this camera second hand off one of the astronomy internet sites. Never been used, perfect condition, and yeah, well, it's not been used by me yet. I've been waiting a couple of months to use this. But here you can see you can put a 2-inch nose piece onto the camera to bring this directly to your telescope, but of course I need to bring it to the filter wheel, and that's where the adapter comes in. So the adapter screws onto the front, and then this now allows me to connect this onto my filter wheel, my FLI filter wheel. But I think if FLI sees this video and are listening, these things are too expensive. €50 should have been enough for such an adapter ring. Okay, we've now moved to the utility, and what you can see here is I've taped the plastic cap onto the adapter just to give the shutter some protection. The camera is also now powered up, you can hear it running, and has USB. What you can also see is it's working here with Maxim, so it's connected, and I'll just start so you can see that it's capturing 1 second frames. I can feel the shutter moving. There you go, it's capturing frames now. I'll stop that. So why are we in the utility? Well, what we're going to do, we're going to place the camera into the refrigerator. Okay, the camera is now inside the refrigerator and it's cooling down in there. The wires are routed on the outside of the refrigerator, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start cooling the camera down to its normal operating temperature, which for me is -20 degrees C, and we're going to start making our darks and bias frames. I'm going to leave it in there for a few hours. Now you can see the thermoelectric cooling is bringing the camera down to temperature. We're now at -6 and falling. Sensor set point is -20, -8 and falling, and once we reach the set point, at that moment we're then going to start our darks and bias frames, and we're going to leave the camera in there for a few hours. This way we don't have to waste precious time on the clear skies making our calibration frames. See, we're at set point. We're actually at 21.3, only using 74% of our cooler power, so we're ready to start our dark. So let's go over to exposures. We select our dark frames. So darks and bias, as you can see, I've already set this up. I normally do 800 seconds and then hit start. And now the camera is working away, taking darks and bias frames while we sit back and relax. Now, to hire these facilities, I find that my partner likes white wine. So a bottle of white wine now given to my wife will ensure that I get less hassle and less earache for occupying the fridge for a few hours with my camera. Your wife or partner may require chocolates or some other inducement. I leave that to you, and we accept no responsibility for any marital arguments.